Hey poopers, welcome to Hashtag Straight Poop. Hey, I got some Hawaiian short ribs I'm doing. I had a friend who owned a plantation where he grew guava and pineapple, and he would always send me some guava wood and some buds from some Maui white, and he sent me some clones, and I've been growing this stuff for about 10 years. But he gave me a recipe and he said it's Hawaiian ribbies and you use beef short ribs. Beef short ribs are this, they're twice the size, so I just take a knife and I cut them in half, okay? As you can see, this is one part, so just cut them in half. Now, what I did, I made a marinade. Soy sauce, mirin, cannabis oil. See, the thing is getting that cannabis oil to mix in. So you got granulated garlic, you got ginger. I've also got pickled lemongrass. There's a little bit of mirin and there's cannabis oil, okay? So that's fine. What I'm gonna do is, I've got a whole bag of these, okay? So I'm gonna dump them in the Ziploc bag. I'm gonna take these guys, also add it to this bag, and then we're going to toss it, of course, like we've done in the past. And I'll get that down here. We're going to toss all that stuff in that marinade, okay? Get it nice and coated, and we're going to, of course, crimp it down. We're going to put it in the fridge for 3 whole days, okay? Then you're gonna meet me out in the pit. But in the meantime, what we've done is we've created some charts with all of my hints, tips, helpful information from my cookbook. So why don't you take a look at one of my pro tips. Hey, welcome back poopers. I got my Hawaiian shorties and they took up the marinade very well. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is I got a quick grill on these. They've been on about 5 minutes. I want to get some color on there, okay? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop the box and I'm going to add another stick of mesquite. I bought some mesquite lump charcoal and I'm using that today. So you know what? I'm going to keep flipping these guys. And then they're going to get some more smoke on here. And what we've done is we've put together a chart for each of our tips, helpful hints from our cookbook, and used AI to come up with some demonstratives. And we call them our pro tips. And we have them listed in our videos. So why don't you take a look? And I'm going to tend to these guys. And then we'll come inside and we'll plop them on a platter. And I've got, oops, remember that marinade? I reduced it. And I'm gonna make a glaze to go along with these little ribbies. Because I went to the Mexican grocery store where I got the mesquite, and they also had fresh pulp of fruit, pulpa. Not pulpa, not you know, seafood or octopus. Pulp. And I got pineapple pulp. So I'm gonna make a glaze with that too. So anyway, I'm gonna tend to this. Why don't you take a look at one of our pro tips and come on into the kitchen when you're done. Larry's pro tip. Enjoy. Hey poopers, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed that chart. Hey, I was talking and I found this stuff at the Mexican grocery store. And they have all sorts of fruits. Typical fruits, raspberries, strawberries. They have cactus, they have, oh man, so many. Passion fruit, you name it. I put some of this, I bought a second thing here. This is thawed, but it's 14 ounces, okay? I put 3 ounces into this sauce that I made with cannabis oil. It's got soy sauce, it's got sesame seed oil. It's not a thick sauce. It's also got some ginger, and it's also got some minced garlic, salt, and pepper. Not a lot of salt, you guys know me. There we go. You know what the nice thing about this is? Look at the char. These are easy to eat. You know, sometimes I think it's even easier. This is easier to eat as a wing than a wing. You know what I mean? And it's all meat. It's all beef. You know, there's one bone. That's that. All the rest is meat. So I hope you enjoy my little, you know, Hawaiian ribbies. If you want a free cookbook, email me. The email address is on our channel page description. The link is still up pinned. I don't know if it's working. It was. It's the third time I pinned it. So if it works, great. If not, contact me. Thanks for joining us again, poopers. My dogs love having you here. I got to give Clinky her pill. She's got a somewhat collapsed trachea. Happens in older Shelties. Anyway, she's fine. She'll be fine. So that's about it, man. Thanks for joining us again. And you're waiting on me. You're loafing. Hang loose.